How to find all your story archive on Instagram mobile application. Before we start this tutorial, if you find this content or tutorial helpful, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. A prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already updated the Instagram application to its latest version. You can check Play Store or App Store, depends on your device. Okay, and once you deem it ready and everything is already updated to its latest version, just go to your Instagram application. From there, just go to your button, profile button on the bottom right. Okay, and then just click that hamburger button on the top right. Here's archive. And now as you can see that all of the stories that I have posted previously, all of your stories will be listed here, and it can even be listed on the calendar as well. I posted on this particular dates. You can also check if those tutorials are made in this particular location, if it has any tags. And that's pretty much how you view your stories archive on your Instagram application. If you find this content or tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe, like, comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please don't hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and take care you too. Bye.